Side hustles that can make you $500 plus per day. The idea of earning $500 or more per day from a side hustle might seem like a dream, but in today's world, it is more achievable than ever before. The digital economy has opened up countless opportunities for individuals willing to learn new skills, take risks, and put in consistent effort. Whether you want to escape financial stress, save for a significant investment, pay off debt, or even transition into full-time entrepreneurship, a high-paying side hustle can give you the financial freedom and flexibility you desire. The key to success lies in selecting a profitable side hustle, dedicating time to mastering the craft, and consistently executing. Some of the most successful side hustlers today earn anywhere from $500 to thousands of dollars per day, and the best part is that many of these opportunities require little to no upfront investment. With determination, the right approach, and innovative strategies, you, too, can build a lucrative side income. Below are some of the most high-paying side hustles that can help you reach $500 per day or more. Freelance video editing. Earn big in the digital content boom. Video content is in huge demand, with platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook driving a surge in video consumption. Many content creators, brands, and businesses need skilled video editors to help them produce high-quality videos but do not have the time or expertise to do it themselves. This is where freelance video editing comes in. As a video editor, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per project, and by taking on multiple projects daily, you can easily cross the $500 mark. Some experienced editors earn over $1,000 daily by working with premium clients or offering specialized services such as social media ad editing, cinematic storytelling, or corporate video production. How to get started in video editing. Learn industry standard editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Create a portfolio showcasing different styles of video editing. Sign up on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Network with content creators and businesses to find consistent clients. Once you establish a strong reputation and high-quality portfolio, you can increase your rates and even scale your business by hiring other editors to handle bulk projects. Drop shipping. Build an online store with no inventory. Drop shipping is one of the most popular and profitable online businesses. In this business, you sell products without actually holding inventory. Your supplier ships the product directly to the customer while you keep the profit margin. Many successful drop shippers earn $500 plus daily by running multiple stores or focusing on trending products. The key to success in drop shipping is choosing the right products and running high-converting social media ads. Your store can generate thousands in daily sales with effective Facebook, TikTok, or Google ads. How to get started with drop shipping. Create an online store using Shopify or WooCommerce. Find winning products on platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, or CJ Dropshipping. Use social media advertising and influencer marketing to drive traffic to your store. Scale your business by reinvesting profits into ads and new product launches. Many dropshipping entrepreneurs transition into private labeling, creating their own branded products to increase profit margins and build long-term business stability. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Make big commissions on expensive products. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to make money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission per sale. While traditional affiliate programs pay small commissions, high-ticket affiliate marketing focuses on promoting expensive products, where a single commission can be $500 or more. Some of the best products for high-ticket affiliate marketing include online courses, luxury goods, investment programs, high-end software subscriptions. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Join high-paying affiliate programs such as ClickFunnels, Bluehost, or Amazon luxury brands. Create content through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platform. Use SEO, social media marketing, and email funnels to drive traffic. Scale your earnings by promoting multiple high-ticket products across different niches. Focusing on high-ticket products can allow you to make significant income without creating products yourself. Some affiliate marketers make 6 to 7 figures per year from this model alone. Airbnb hosting. Rent out your property for passive income. If you own a home, apartment, or even an extra room, you can rent it out on Airbnb or Vrbo and make $500 or more per night, depending on the location. Even if you don't own property, you can still enter the Airbnb business through rental arbitrage, where you rent a property long-term and sublease it for short-term stays at a higher price. Many Airbnb hosts earn six figures annually, and some scale their business by managing multiple properties or hiring a team to handle daily operations. How to get started with Airbnb. Create an attractive listing with professional photos and an engaging description. Offer exceptional guest experiences to earn positive reviews. Use dynamic pricing tools to maximize income during peak travel seasons. Consider Airbnb arbitrage if you don't own property but want to enter the market. With a high-demand location and excellent customer service, Airbnb can become a passive income stream that generates significant long-term wealth. Stock trading and crypto trading. Leverage market movements for profit. Trading stocks or cryptocurrency is one of the fastest ways to make $500 plus daily, but it requires market knowledge, risk management, and discipline. Many traders earn a full-time income by capitalizing on short-term price movements and market fluctuations. How to get started with trading. Learn technical analysis, market trends, and trading strategies. Start with a demo account before using real money. Use risk management techniques to avoid significant losses. Focus on high liquidity markets such as stocks, forex, or cryptocurrency. Successful traders develop a strategy, refine it over time, and use risk management techniques to minimize losses while maximizing gains. Final thoughts. Achieve financial freedom with a high-paying side hustle. Making $500 per day from a side hustle is not just a dream but a realistic goal if you choose the right opportunity, learn the necessary skills, and stay committed. Whether you choose freelance video editing, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, Airbnb hosting, or stock trading, each of these opportunities has the potential to provide financial security and long-term wealth. Many people have even quit their jobs to pursue these side hustles full-time. The key is to take action today. Start by researching, learning, and testing different side hustles to find what works best for you. Once you gain momentum and experience, scaling to $500 plus daily becomes possible. Which of these side hustles interests you the most? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.